po, eto na po yung direct cashiering natin. Can be connected also with the printer. So we have here our digitalized weighing scale. And of course, naka-display na po dito yung weight, yung unit price, yung total amount natin. Hi everyone, this is Rose from BitPOS. And in this video, I am going to show you a compact process for meat shop or any other frozen type of businesses po. So a lot of our customers are asking, paano naman yung gusto namin yung naka-compact lang, yung madali lang natin gamitin, or yung mga handheld na devices? Is it possible to connect it here in our digitalized weighing scale? And the answer for that question is a big yes. Actually po, we have our BitPOS MOT na cellphone setup siya. So this is an Android phone that I have here. And using this one po, eto na po yung direct cashiering natin. So with this phone po, it can be connected also with a printer. Now you can choose between a battery-operated one. Kung gusto talaga natin very compact, eto po, meron tayong mga battery-operated printers. Or, we also have here yung powered-based printer din natin. So, it's still small and it's also very compact. So, in this video po, what I'm going to use is our battery-operated printer po. So, paano ba natin gagamitin yung MOT app natin on this setup? So, we have here our digitalized weighing scale kung saan dito pa din natin ilalagay yung mga products natin na ating i-scan later on in our MOT app. I still have here my numpad that can accommodate multiple SKUs po. There's no limit of how many cuts that we're gonna input. And of course, naka-display na po dito yung weight, yung unit price, yung total amount natin. It can also be seen here. So, tatanggalin ko lang po itong mga nilagay ko on top. So, here, I have my sample na weight. This is 500 grams. Ayan po. So, here, ilalagay ko lang siya directly to my weighing scale po. So, you can actually see that the grams here is 500 grams, 200 pesos po yung per kilo niya, and then the total amount is 100 pesos. So, this is for my item number 1, which is yung baba or pork jolls po. Tap ko lang po si 1 and then tap print. Matic po or automatic, nagpiprint naman po yung ating weighing scale. And this is my sample printout. Okay? So, eto, we'll be using it later on. Papakita ko din. But before I do that, I am going to show you din po kung ano yung pinakamaliit na product na pwede nating scan dito sa ating digitalized weighing scale. If you have products like sibuyas, kamatis, luya, we have this 1 peso coin. Ayan. So, I have my piso coin here. Lagay ko lang po siya sa weighing scale po. 1 peso coin is equivalent to 5 grams. So, nakikita pa din yung weighing scale po. Nare-read niya pa din kahit napakaliit na po ng weight ng piso natin. So, tap ko lang po. Let's say piso is my item number 2, which is my chicken lollipop. And then, you will see the price change and then the total na babayaran, which is 93 cents lang since this is only 5 grams. Tap ko lang po. Automatically po, magpiprint yung ating digitalized weighing scale po. And this is the weight and then the total amount po for the piso. Okay? So, now that I have 2 barcodes here in our MOT app po, tap lang natin yung item. There's 2 process that you can do here. Pwede nating i-scan or pwede po natin siyang manually input. But, you know, we don't do the manual input po kasi si MOT app natin, meron po siyang word or tapping this 3-line icon called toggle search mode where you can type the name of the item or you can use the scanner here. Now, this is the catch. This does not have any clip-back scanner or any connected scanner. What I'm gonna use is the camera itself dito sa cellphone natin. So, you see the camera at the back? So, yan yung gagamitin ko. And I am going to scan yung ating barcode. So, lapit lang natin ng onte. Ayan. So, nag-e-scanning po siya. Scanned. Ayan, natunog po siya. If the item is scanned po, automatically, the system will say scanned. Meron po siyang audio confirmation. So, here in my item, you can already see the total amount of 0.93 po or the exact amount of 0.925. This is equivalent to 5 grams only sa piso natin. Tap ko lang yan ng okay. automatically it gets added. Now, let me scan the second product po, si Baba, the first one, yung 500 grams. Tapat ulit natin po yung ating barcode dito sa camera. Ayan. And with a couple of seconds po, ayan, the system will say scanned and mababasa po sa taas yung barcode. Tap OK and lalabas po, as you can see, meron po dito sa baba yung 500 grams, yung name ng product, so on and so forth. So tap OK/back po, makikita natin yung total bill on top ng customer natin. It's equivalent to 101 pesos. If we're tapping tender here, input the pera of the customer, let's say 200 pesos, tap OK, and automatically po, papakita ko lang. Ayan. So, matik po, magpiprint na po ang aking Bluetooth printer, and this is my sample receipt po. So, lapit ko lang po yung receipt so that you can see. These are the products that I scanned, the barcode, the total amount due, yung ating money ng customer, and then yung kanyang change. Ayan. So, you can see the logo on top, then details of my store as well. Okay? So, this is the setup naman po if you want a compact process, or mas gusto natin yung mas handy or handheld machines, we have that one here in BitPOS using our BitPOS MOT application. Now, if you want to know more, paano ba yung setup natin, how does it work po, you can message our Facebook page and you may also book an online demo.